Good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome back again in the English class. Dear student, yesterday we have completed our lesson 3, that was Ekalavya, and I hope you all have understood it very well. Now, from the Ekalavya, there are different points that we learn from it. The first thing is that it is a very good story between the good relation between teacher and student. Through this lesson, we come to learn that students should be obedient, they should be dedicated towards their work, they should endeavor themselves so that they can achieve the proper goals. Another thing is that there is a lesson for teacher also. For the reason of caste and races, the teacher should not separate or divide their students. The teacher should maintain the equal balance of his side towards his pupils. Now, the other thing is that here the main character Ekalavya, he gives the very important message to all of the students. According to his activities that he has done in the story, I can say that the true quotation for him: start where you are, use what you have, do what you can. This is a very matchable quotation for him. He had a great determination, he had a great concentration towards his work. Even though there was an absence of teacher, he continued his practices in a single-minded way and got his goal and got his success. He became a very skilled person in bow and arrow. Then Arjuna, though he had no physical teacher to teach him, he practiced all these things only taking the blessing of the image of his Guru Dronacharya. Now the other thing is that it tells about the great sacrifice that Ekalavya gave in this story. And this sacrifice, what he gave to get the blessing of his Guru, to get the love from his Guru, this sacrifice, whatever he gave to his Guru, it made him very popular, it made him very praiseworthy throughout the world. The other thing is that he proved that the one who has a great determination and a very good patience in his work, he or she or the person will surely get success in life. The most important thing is that the story tells us there is a good person also, bad person also in the world. The person is totally not good, completely not good, or completely bad or evil. If he is good in some part of his mind or in his body, there is a evil hidden inside him. If the person is very evil, then some goodness is hidden inside him. So this lesson, though it is a sad story about Ekalavya, but the sacrifice, the great sacrifice he made towards his teacher, taught the world that he was a very obedient student towards his teacher. He was a brave, confident, and a person of a determined person. So in this way, lots of points, the important points, important messages, the lesson gives to all of you. So you must learn that. And now today, it is the time for your writing work. So let us move. This is you can see on the screen. This is vocabulary: willed, mess, lens, kshatriya, single-mindedly, star-led, mem. These are all the words that you should copy in your notebook and learn the meanings and learn the pronunciation and learn the spellings also. I have been telling you every time this thing, so you must be very careful. Now let us move to another part. This is our MCQs. It is very easy. Everybody, it is familiar. Among you. Take the correct options. MCQs. Dronacharya was a dash teacher who was appointed to train Kauravas and Pandavas as warriors. Intelligent, arrogant, excellent, all of this. यहाँ से चूज करना है. Drona promised dash to be the best archer in the world. कौन है? युधिष्ठिरा, अर्जुना, भीमा, एकलव्य. किसको द्रोणा ने प्रॉमिस किया था कि संसार का सबसे महान धनुर्धर बनाऊंगा? ये किसको कहा था? किसको बनाने की कोशिश किया था? वो तुम लोग लिख सकते हो. आफ्टर you have, I think you have listened the chapter very well, and you may revise it and do the exercises. Drona suggested dash to play contest with Princess of Hastinapur. These are all very, very important for all of you to do, because this MCQs gives more information about the chapter. Now let us move to another part. This one. Read the following extract from the text and write who speaks these dialogues and to whom. Who said to whom? I am the son of Hiranyadhanu, king of the foresters. अब ये एकलव्य said to द्रोणाचार्य, ये पूरा सेंटेंस लिखना है. एकलव्य ने द्रोणाचार्य को कहा, how proud he must be of such a skilled pupil. Dronacharya said to Ekalavya. 1, 2, and this is only up to 3. It is a very short exercise. Now let us go through this. Puzzle 1, filling up the boxes. Okay, now let us go. This is the exercise. Find the words from the text which mean the same as the ones given in the clues and complete the following puzzle. ये puzzle complete करना है, similar meaning, synonyms भरना है. These are all the things, and you can take the help from the lesson also. See, the clues are given here, across and down. Could adapt from a moving chariot. कौन था वो? Number 1, for example, Y, Yudhishthira. And now number 2, superb swordsman. I am talking about the across. Superb swordsman, जो तलवारबाजी में बहुत अच्छा था. Number 2 देखो, Nakula. In this way you can fill the boxes very well. I hope that. Now let us move to our main exercise of the lesson. Answer the following questions. What happened in the forest when Drona took the royal pupils there? What happened? You have heard the story and you can write it. What happened in the forest when Drona took the royal pupils there? When Drona took the royal pupils in the forest, they found that there were many arrows scattered everywhere, and they knew that someone was there from the beginning before their arrival. ये करके आप लिख सकते हो. Why was Drona surprised by what had happened? What did he do next? In this way you can see it. Now Hots, H-O-T-S, Hots. Do you think Drona's act can be justified? Give reasons. Do you think Drona's act can be justified? Give reasons. For this, dear student, I'd like just to give you some hint. Dronacharya, he was a very expert teacher. He was an excellent teacher. He was a very skilled teacher in the Mahabharata episodes, epics. And he taught the very brave warriors, just like Kauravas and Pandavas. There is no doubt he was a very intelligent teacher. But he had one bad sign, bad mark. That was he separated his people. He separated it in the reason of superior caste and lower caste. In this way, lots of points you can get it. On the other hand, you can justify it in this way also. Dronacharya, though everything it is written before, now no living beings on earth can stop it, otherwise can change the fate, what is written. So according to that, Dronacharya played the role what he was given. The role was to deceive his pupil Eklavya. That was his role. So he played it. It was the fortune that made him. In this way also you can may justify the answer. In any way, in your own language, in your own logic, how you understand the lesson and how you can explain, or how you can categorize Dronacharya as a good teacher or a bad teacher. In this way you can justify your answer. Now this was all your exercise that I am giving you today. Dear student, try to do all these exercises very well. It is your time. I told you before also, we have learned in Eklavya also, self-minded. That means self-passion, self-minded, self-concentration. It is very needed to all of you. More than that, combinedly it is called the great determination. आप लोगों के पास पढ़ने का जज्बा होना चाहिए. You should have a great determination inside you. State of mind हम लोग ने पढ़ा. State of mind में ये रखना है आप लोगों को कि we have to read, we have to make ourselves up to date, we have to be prepared for the coming time. So in this way you can easily win your blockages, win your boring time. So dear student, let us pray to God that we may get together again very soon. This was all the exercises for today. And be healthy, stay healthy and be good all the time at home. Till our next class, have a nice time, have a nice evening. Thank you and bye.